Hey, it's Gabriel Brown here with another business credit hack. Today I want to talk about something that many entrepreneurs aren't familiar with, especially when I am talking about business credit with them. I ask them, what do you think your bank credit rating is? And they look a little puzzled. Well, a bank credit rating is a bank credit score that's given to you based on the average amount of money you keep in your bank account over a 90-day period. Okay, so that is a bank credit rating. It's based on the average amount of money you keep in your bank account over 90 days. Okay, it's a 90-day cycle. Many people call it also the bank credit score. That's the bank credit score. Now, let's say if you keep $10,000 as your average balance over 90 days, you should have a bank credit score of about a 5. Okay, so our average balance in your bank account for your business, $10,000 over 90 days, should get you a banking credit score of a 5, okay? And so for most entrepreneurs, $10,000 is that midway point where if you can maintain that, a bank would probably consider you for a loan. If you go beneath $10,000, banks will tend to believe that you can't pay your obligations back or you're running too lean on your reserves. The ideal place is between 50 and 75K in your bank account as your average balance. That's 50 to 75,000 to get the best bank credit score or bank credit rating. But it's a bank credit score, again, based on the average balance you keep in your business bank account over 90 days. If you're not tracking this, even though you have an 80 Paydex score, a 80 Experience Smart Business score, even though you may have a SBSS FICO business score, let's say a 290, right? If you're not tracking your bank credit score based on your bank credit rating, or if you're not carrying an average balance over 10,000 over a 90-day period, you'll have a bank credit rating beneath 4 or 3, and that will be tragic. You won't get approved for any credit. So that's your credit tip of the day. Monitor your bank credit rating or the bank credit score, and monitor your average balance. Try to carry more than 10,000 over a 90-day period. And optimal, if you can get 50 to 75,000, you'll have one of the best bank credit ratings out. That's your credit tip for the day.